a beautiful ring light with this is wires, and it's big. Oh my god, it's big and strong. I have never imagined that it will be that much big and strong. Okay, it's looking cool. And what is it? This is mobile holder. It's coming with mobile holder. Now I'm going to open it. I love this right now. This is these two wires. One is for mobile and one is for light. It is really very strong. I have never imagined. We will put it like this. Okay, and set everything. Yeah, okay. Okay, here is the hole which goes through this, there, here. Oh, it's not fine. Now I just make it, fix it, and now I'm here to show you how it's look like. It is a very hard and good grip. It's got a very good grip. You can see it, and it here is this is light, and it's a mobile holder. It's fixed from here. It is 360, like not 360, but it's very good holder, and it holds your mobile very finely. I make one video with this, and now I'm here to show you how we fix it with table and in kitchen also. It's work well in kitchen also. Just open it with your hands and it's get fixed. Look at here, and here is the light. Here's the light. You can fix it like this anywhere. And this mobile holder. Here I'm going to give you the demo of light. It's come with this remote. It's a power button. It's mode, light up and down. Here I'm going to off my light of the room and show you how it's work. Okay, here is the light. I'm on it. It's on, and my mobile light is off now. Now I am showing you. This is the object which I have. Okay, now I'm going to show you the light, how it's changed the modes. This is, I think, yellow light. It's like blue. How it's look like. And it's white light, again yellow, a bit bluish yellow. And now I'm going to up and low the light mode. How it's work. It's dim now. It's good. It's also work in every light. You can see. Yes, and I'm very satisfied with this product, and I'm happy. Hope you will also buy this light. I'm going to use this for table videos and for cooking videos also. For selfies, for sure, why not? Okay, thank you. Hope you liked my video and review. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more reviews. Thanks a lot.